Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to be cooking a slow cooker sour cream chicken. Now what can I say? I love chicken, I love mushrooms, and I'm such a sucker for any kind of a gravy sauce. This sour cream chicken recipe only has a few ingredients, but it turns out so wonderfully and so delicious. You are going to love it. So let me just show you how great it is to cook this sour cream chicken in your slow cooker. Let's get cooking. We will start with the sauce. We're going to start with adding 1 can of cream of mushroom soup to a mixing bowl. Fill the can with water and add it to the bowl. Next, you will need 1 cup of sour cream. And mix that all together. Now whisk this all together so it's nicely combined. Let's add the seasonings. I've got half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can use salt and pepper to taste. This is what I'm going to use. And add that to the sauce and mix it through. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, and now we'll be adding 226 grams of sliced mushroom. And just mix that all through the sauce. Now the sauce is ready. Next, you are going to add 3 large chicken breasts to your slow cooker. 3 large chicken breasts weigh about 2 pounds or 1 kg. Drop that to the bottom of your slow cooker. Next, you'll be adding the sauce on top of the chicken. try to move the chicken around so the sauce distributes throughout, and come to the bottom of the slow cooker. Now you will place the lid on. Set the slow cooker on low and cook for 6.5 hours. Then I will explain the next step. You are going to shred the chicken after 6.5 hours. After 6.5 hours of cooking on low, you are going to shred the chicken inside the slow cooker, and I'm going to use my meat masher. You can use 2 forks just to break up the chicken so that it's in bite-sized pieces. So I'll just quickly go through and break up the chicken, and then I'll show you the next step. The chicken is fall apart tender. Now that I have broken up the chicken, I'm going to add a cornstarch slurry just to thicken up the gravy. So the cornstarch slurry is 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1/4 cup of water. Then I just add it into the sauce and just mix it in. Now that is mixed in, I will just place the lid back on and leave it to cook on low for another 45 minutes to an hour, and just to make the sauce thicken, and then it is time to serve. The chicken smells lovely. It is 100% done and ready. The sauce has thickened and I'm ready to dish up. I'm going to serve this on brown rice for tonight, but for a low carb option, you can always serve this on cauliflower rice. You can also, if you are not on a specific diet, you can serve this on pasta or white rice as well. Just get a few of those beautiful pieces of mushroom. Look at that lovely meal. I'm going to serve this with a side of green beans. Look at this healthy meal. This is going to make everybody's tummies happy tonight. And it smells delicious and I can't wait to dig in. So serve this the way you want and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give it a try. This sour cream chicken is so delicious. I couldn't stop eating it. You can make this low carb meal just by adding it to cauliflower rice, or make it a healthier meal by adding it to brown rice, but you can also just add it on pasta or on white rice. whichever you prefer. So guys, this is all I have for you today. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.